Hi and welcome to my channel this evening. Normally when we come to this particular platform, everybody want form. Like, not really about forming. They say go and check what other creators do and see how you do same. We want to be very perfect. You want to perfect everything. You want your background to be very fine. You want your videos to be very fine. No doubt. I am not saying your your background shouldn't be fine, your video shouldn't be fine. But sometimes, do you know that it is even those things that when you come free and do your thing, just pass your real knowledge, it attracts people. I don't know why people in this particular platform wants to be very professional, wants to do things. You know, if you want to get something, start it from where you are. Forget about perfecting, so forget about making it look very good. That being said, I said I'm not going to be very professional. I'm not going to be very kind of today. I will mix everything. You will hear pure English, you will hear our type of English, and I know what I dey talk about. Now, this particular video, I'm making it for everybody, but there are a set of persons that own this video, they know. Now, I want to talk about how you can grow on this platform. Not only on this platform, wherever you are, in anything you are doing, there's something that makes you stand out. Something makes you stand out. People see you, and you even as a human, some persons come across you, there's something they would get from you. You know that here is positive. If I am around this person, I will definitely get something good. But if you are not, you don't have the source, there's no value in you. When people come around you, nothing they this one, they just move. You get? So this is how this thing works. Now I am saying the algorithm is going to pick you up, not just because your background is fine and all that and all that. You can be doing it bit by bit, and at a point it will pick you. But the major aim for this video is how it's going to pick you up fast. Now, this algorithm depends on you. Like, it's not about your video algorithm. You need algorithm to carry your video. The algorithm needs you to work on your video. Now the algorithm needs your viewers. Your viewers need your content. Your content depends on you, the person bringing out this content. I don't know if I'm making any sense. The algorithm needs your viewers, because somebody must come, open your video. Now, how do this algorithm depend on this your viewers? If your viewer the first person comes, watch your video from the beginning to the end, algorithm will still suggest your video again the next time the person comes, or even after watching that first one, algorithm will suggest another one, not only to that person. But if number one person comes to your channel, watches your video from beginning to the end, the second person comes, does the same thing, the third person comes, does the same thing. If someone else who you did not even refer to your channel goes to YouTube, to the search bar, and searches for something that is related to that video that people came and watched to the end, algorithm will definitely suggest your video, your channel, to the person. Now let's use Facebook as a case study, because that is where most of us are very free. We do whatever we want to do there. We watch videos freely more on Facebook. Now, if you watch somebody's video, you meet a video and you watch that video from beginning to the end, trust me, as you're scrolling through Facebook, through videos, there's every tendency that you will come across that video, that person's video again, a different one. When you still watch again to the end, You will meet the person's video. You keep meeting the person's video. Now, why you meet this person, why you want to watch the person's video to the end, now depends on the person. That is where your viewers now depend on your content type to watch to the end. What kind of content are you putting out? What kind of content? Is it the kind of content that keeps people tight? When they come, you have to watch it to the end, because if you don't watch it to the end, any part you forward could be the vital part of that particular video. Choose problems, people's problems on this platform. Choose to solve it. Pick people's problem on any platform where you are. This is not limited to only YouTube. Pick people's problem on any platform where you find yourself, not only on internet platforms. Anywhere you find yourself, if you pick people's problem and solve it, people will want to come around. People will always want to come to you for answers to their problems. So if you are creating content on this platform, I want to tell you one thing that can push you faster is you picking people's problem and solving it, giving solution to that problem. When a person comes to you for solution to their problem, the beginning of what you have to say tells the person that you have solution to this person's problem. So they would want to follow you, listen keenly, attentively, to grab everything you have to say, because what you have to give them is solution to that their problem. It's not another problem on top of the problem. It is a solution to the problem. So now that is where your viewers depend on your content. Your content is depending on you because you are the one feeding it. Like you are the one bringing out the content. So what you have in your head goes a long way to pushing the algorithm, to helping the algorithm push your channel or your videos. Another thing I will tell you again is you optimizing whatever you're doing. Those ones are normal, but trust me, if you know what you're doing, whether you do some certain things, you don't do some certain, the content you're bringing out is worth it. When you get to where you should get to, the platform will do what they have to do.